Best pans comparison. Springform pans are essential tools for bakers, especially when creating delicate desserts like cheesecakes, tarts, and mousse cakes. Their unique design, with removable bottoms, allows for easy release, making them indispensable for achieving professional quality results at home. To help consumers navigate the crowded market, we tested and list number. The Highware 9-inch Springform Pan is a mid-priced option that balances affordability and performance. Featuring a food-grade double-layer non-stick coating, this pan ensures effortless cake release while minimizing residue. The upgraded stainless steel Springform buckle is sturdy and easy to use, adding to the overall reliability of the design. Oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it heats evenly and quickly, making it suitable for a wide range of recipes. Some cheesecakes to quiches. With over 38,000 positive reviews, it's a popular choice among home bakers. However, hand washing is recommended, which may be inconvenient for some users. In practice, the Highware pan performed admirably, producing evenly baked cheesecakes with smooth sides. Its non-stick coating proved effective, requiring minimal greasing and simplifying cleanup. The Springform buckle felt secure during use, eliminating concerns about leakage. However, while the pan is durable, it's not dishwasher safe, which may deter users seeking low-maintenance options. Additionally, the 9-inch size is versatile, but may not be ideal for larger recipes requiring more capacity. List number. The Nordicware Springform Pan stands out for its premium carbon steel construction and tight seal design, which effectively prevents spills during baking. With a 9-inch diameter and 10-cup capacity, it's slightly larger than standard pans, accommodating more batter. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release and cleanup, making it a reliable choice for bakers. While it's oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, its globally sourced materials and hand wash requirement may not appeal to users seeking higher convenience. During testing, the Nordicware pan produced consistently even results, with no hot spots or uneven baking. Its tight seal design successfully prevented leaks, even with thinner batters. The carbon steel material felt robust and resistant to warping, adding to its longevity. However, the lower oven-safe temperature, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, compared to competitors, limits its versatility for high-heat recipes. Additionally, the hand wash requirement may deter users who prefer dishwasher-safe options. List 3. Farberware's 9.5-inch Springform Pan offers a slightly larger size for those who need extra capacity. Its heavy-duty steel construction resists warping and ensures even heat distribution, minimizing hot spots. The pan is responsibly made without PFAS, PFOA, lead, or cadmium, making it an eco-conscious option for health-conscious bakers. Oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it's versatile enough to handle a variety of recipes, from cheesecakes to torts. However, its hand-wash-only design and heavier weight may not suit all users. In real-world use, the Farberware pan excelled at baking evenly and reliably, producing cakes with smooth sides and no sticking. Its eco-friendly coating was effective, requiring minimal greasing and simplifying cleanup. The larger 9.5-inch size accommodated more batter, making it ideal for larger recipes. However, its heavier construction made handling slightly cumbersome, and the hand wash requirement might deter users seeking convenience. List number. Ishita's Springform Pan set offers 4 sizes, 4, 7, 9, and 10 inches, making it the most versatile option in this comparison. Each pan features a non-stick coating and removable bottom, ensuring easy release and cleanup. Oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The set is suitable for a wide range of recipes, from cheesecakes to pizzas. However, its higher price point may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers, and the hand wash recommendation requires extra care. The Ishita set performed well in testing, offering excellent versatility for different recipe sizes. The non-stick coating was effective across all pans, and the removable bottoms simplified cake release. The 10-inch pan was particularly useful for larger gatherings, while the 4-inch pan provided options for individual servings. However, the set's bulkier storage requirements and hand-wash-only design may deter users with limited kitchen space or those seeking low-maintenance options. List number 5. The Novy Springform Pan is the most affordable option, making it ideal for budget-conscious bakers. Made from carbon steel, it offers sturdy construction and even heat distribution. The honeycomb textured base enhances baking performance, while the food-grade non-stick coating ensures easy cake release. However, its lower oven-safe temperature, 230 degrees Fahrenheit or 446 Fahrenheit, and occasional leakage with thinner batters may limit its versatility. During testing, the Novy pan performed adequately for basic recipes, producing evenly baked cakes with smooth sides. Its lightweight design made handling easy, but the pan's lower durability compared to premium models was noticeable. While the honeycomb base improved heat conduction, occasional leakage with thinner batters highlighted the need for additional precautions. Overall, it's a solid choice for occasional bakers, but may not suit frequent or professional use.